Welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to hide folder in computer or laptop. You can hide your personal data from anyone who uses your computer. I am going to hide this folder. To show you, first go to the directory of your folder. Click on address bar and type cmd. This will open a command prompt in the current window. Now type ATTRIB space plus H space plus S space plus R and name of folder you want to hide. You can see that folder is hidden. Now, your data is secured. Only you can access hidden folders. To bring back folder, simply replace the plus sign by minus. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel for more helpful videos in future.